IzAlyssa. The Desert Eagle is perhaps the most recognizable hand cannon in the world. It's less of a standard issue sidearm and more of a cultural icon, known for its massive scale, distinct silhouette, and punishing power. It'll blast their fucking heads off. Blast their fucking. Blast their fucking. Blast their fucking. Blast their fucking. Heads off. While the gas system helps manage recoil, a 50 caliber Desert Eagle still produces a violent kick and a massive muzzle flash that can be daunting for inexperienced shooters. But still, it'll blast their fucking heads off. Blast their fucking. Blast their fucking. Blast their fucking. Blast their fucking. Heads off. Be careful, or you'll lose your fucking teeth. Blast their fucking. Blast their fucking. Blast their fucking. It's off.